Good afternoon. This is Adam Tuyana with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you on Thursday, March 13th, 2014, with your soft commodities market focus. Today is strictly on coffee. That has been a very volatile market. Coffee today is trading 203.95. That's in the May futures contract. Puts coffee down actually 210 on the day. We've seen a pretty wide range today, but it is on the negative side right now. But despite that, we've seen a strong market. It has been rallying, and despite the bearish technicals that have been out there and reports of an overbought market, they really haven't been able to reverse this market to the downside yet. Basically, the reason for this rally and the strength in coffee still is the same as it was over the past month, which is very hot and dry weather coming out of Brazil. Brazil, of course, is the top producer in the world of coffee. And that hot and dry weather is affecting those younger plants that will yield coffee in the future. So traders estimate at this point approximately 10 million bags less coming out of Brazil than they had originally anticipated. So of course, less supply out there, demand still questionable, but less supply is affecting this price of coffee right now. We still have some Roya fungus scares that are out there affecting output in Mexico as well as South America, two other pretty large producers too. And that Roya fungus is actually counterbalancing a pretty large output that's come out of Colombia. So really that large Colombian output pretty much nullified by the Roya fungus scare out there. Keep things balanced on the supply side. So Vietnam, still major producer. They have a very large output, pretty much record output coming out of Vietnam, but that supply is being held off the market right now by Vietnam. They see prices that are up pretty high. They would like to keep them there, so it's not the first time this has happened. So they're keeping a lot of the coffee off the market right now, keeping that price supported up where it's at right now. Technically, we saw an outside day up yesterday, and in the overnight session, we saw some follow-through buying, but right now we're on the negative side. Keep in mind that the trend is our friend when it comes to futures trading and every other trading that's out there. We are trend followers by and large. So I'm going to continue to stay bullish. I think coffee prices will continue to move higher, but I think they're going to trade sideways a little bit, take a little breather. Some consolidation is going to take place. Upside resistance is going to be 209.75, while on the downside support comes in at 197.80. If you do have any questions on the futures markets, doesn't matter whether it's coffee, cocoa, silver, gold, crude oil, feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to help you. Have a wonderful afternoon. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.